YouTube. Let's learn how to play London Calling by The Clash. I'll show you a couple of different ways to play it. There's several guitars on the recording. The easiest way to play it would just be like... I'm sure there's a guitar on there playing it that way. There's, like I said, there's layered guitars in there. So that's just the E. You play, it's E minor 7, but you're not playing the whole fretboard, just like the lower string. And then goes to F to G. Power chords. That's that's the easy way to play it. Then when it goes to the chorus, you're just playing E minor 7 to G. Until it comes to the end. Live by the river goes to D. By the way, it's good to learn to play the E minor to F like this. So that's how the simplest way to play it. I was playing it at the 7th and 8, 10. Okay, it's playing E minor 7, mostly on the higher 4 strings. Then go to F at the 8th fret, and then G at the 10th, all playing A string root. And then for the chorus, you go. By the way, the rhythm for the verse is like a march. And then for the chorus, it's a different feel. It's like down, 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 up, down. Here's another simple way to play it. You can play it on the top 2 strings. That's at the 12th, 13th, and 15th. This is like your E minor 7. This is your F. That's your G. That's a simple way to play it too. And I think that's about it. Alright, that's not a long lesson. Alright, it's a fun song to play. Have fun. Thanks. Bye-bye.